we can represent numbers using different bases, with binary and hexadecimal being the most useful in terms of how numbers are stored in computers. So with decimal, or base 10, we can represent each digit in a number using 0 to 9. So effectively we have 10 digits to represent each digit. And to the left of the decimal place, we multiply each number by the following powers of 10. So what we get is 1 by 10 squared, which is 100, plus the number 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, plus 8 by 10 to the 0, where 10 to the 0 is 1. And to the right of the decimal place, we multiply each number by negative powers of 10. So we have 1 by 10 to the minus 1, which is 1 on 10, plus 2 by 10 to the minus 2, which is 1 on 100, and then plus 5 by 10 to the minus 3, which is 1 on 1000. Now with binary or base 2, we can represent each digit using either a 0 or a 1. So to the left of the decimal place, we multiply by powers of 2. So we have 1 by 2 to the 7, plus 0 by 2 to the 6, plus 0 by 2 to the 5, plus 1 by 2 to the 4, and so on. And to the right of the decimal place, we multiply by negative powers of 2. So we have 0 by 2 to the minus 1, or 1 on 2, plus 0 by 2 to the minus 2, or 1 on 4, plus 1 by 2 to the negative 3, or 1 on 8. And adding these numbers together will give you the following number, which is represented in decimal or base 10. Now with hexadecimal or base 16, each digit can be represented from 0 to 9, and from 10 to 15, or A to F. So to the left of the decimal place, we multiply each number by powers of 16. So we have 9 by 16 to the 1, plus E by 16 to the 0. And E is 14. And to the right of the decimal place, we multiply by negative powers of 16, so negative 1, negative 2, and so on. So what we have is 2 by 16 to the negative 1, or 1 on 16. And then evaluating this sum gives you the same number in decimal representation. And using the octal representation, or base 8, we use 8 digits to represent a number, which are from 0 to 7. So here we multiply each digit to the left of the decimal point by powers of 8. So we have 2 by 8 squared, plus 3 by 8 to the 1, plus 6 by 8 to the 0. And to the right of the decimal point, we multiply each number by negative powers of 8. So here we have 1 by 8 to the minus 1, or 1 on 8. And if you evaluate this sum, you'd get this number in decimal representation. Please subscribe, like, and comment to help me reach more students.